Alaska got back to its winning ways after drubbing rain or shine, 106-89, in the 2018 PBA Governors Cup on Wednesday at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. The Aces improved to a 4-1 record while adding to the misery of the Elasto Painters, who remained winless in 3 games. Alaska turned a tight match into a clinic after unleashing a 12-0 run to take an 81-79 lead with less than 6 minutes remaining. It was all Alaska from there, with Mike Harris dropping a 5-point bomb inside the final 2 minutes to give the Aces a comfortable 183 buffer. Harris exploded for 39 points on top of 25 rebounds and a pair of assists, while his counterpart, new rain or shine import Terrence Watson, had an underwhelming return to the league with 10 markers and 13 boards. Alaska head coach Alex Compton was all praises for the former NBA player. Mike Harris was great today. "We had the best player on the floor tonight," Compton said during the post-game interview. Chris Banchero, Simon Ciso, and Vic Manuel chipped in 16 points each for the Aces, who bounced back from a loss to Ginebra. Meanwhile, Bo Belga carried the bulk of the load with 20 points, 2 rebounds, and 5 assists. Gabe Norwood posted a double-double outing of 10 markers and 11 boards on top of 2 dimes and the same number of steals. Maverick Ahinmissi and Ed Dakwio churned out 11 points each, while Ray Namabatak and James Yap combined for 19 points. The scores: Alaska 106, Harris 39, Banchero 16, Enciso 16, Manuel 16, Examiniano 8, Teng 5, Baclau 4, Casio 2, Rackle 0, Pascual 0, and Rada 0. Rain or shine 89, Belga 20, Dakwio 11, Ahinmissi 11, Norwood 10, Watson 10, Nambatak 10, Yap 9, Washington 4, Pew 2, Ponferrada 2, Torres 0. Quarter scores: 26-30, 47-49, 75-77, 106-89. Extra dribbles. Terrence Watson, who replaced Jonathan Bullock, sat out most of the 4th period. Harris has just recovered from an ankle injury he sustained before the 2-week break. Next games: Rain or shine vs Blackwater on October 7 at the Sta. Rosa Multi-Purpose Complex. Alaska vs San Miguel Beer on October 6 at the Eners Center in Antipolo.